All right, guys, today's the day. I'm driving my new 1,000 horsepower trophy truck, all-wheel drive, out in the desert, and I am so excited because this thing is insane. We've been hiding it behind the scenes for a while, so today's the day. You get to learn all about it. All right, today is the day we have been waiting for, I mean, pretty much my entire life. Well, I guess today's not the day. Tomorrow's the real day, but today is a very exciting day. Today we are dynoing the new all-wheel drive trophy truck, which I'm just like, it's still like, I got here a little bit ago, the truck was unloaded, and you're like, man, this is a cool truck, and like, it's trippy, you're like, this is my truck. Like, it's still kind of tripping on it. But yeah, so we're here at Croyer Racing Engines in beautiful Las Vegas. And yeah, we got the truck up on the dyno. They're doing a bunch of programming and such now. We're gonna start doing some big polls, dude. See what those, you know, record numbers, dude. Friggin' place your bets. I don't know. It's supposed to be right around 1,000 horsepower, so we'll see what she comes in on. On the chassis dyno, it's not gonna be as gnarly, but show you what she's all about. Trick. First time seeing the truck really all complete. Just nasty looking. You just keep staring into the deep end. But yeah, slow, tedious process. Getting it perfect. This is tight. That was fun. It's nice and.
Is it like how you want it? Okay.
I hope so.
Okay.
Seems good.
Okay.
No, it feels somewhat comfortable.
I don't know what the label is for that.
You and Luke pretty much have the same seating position.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like, real tight.
Feels like home, dude. It's a good office. No, it does actually feel pretty good. We'll see how she drives tomorrow, but it's always like when you're sitting here laying out the truck when you're building it, it's so scary. So now to sit in it all built, you're like, whew, it at least feels good. We'll see tomorrow.
Fast.
Nice to work on when they're clean. I don't even know how to drive, it's the problem. Huh? I don't know how to drive it. I just need.
Does that smile pretty big or what?
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. She's pretty gnarly. Fits me. Better. I guess I just started. My backup camera's not hooked up yet. Loading up now to head to the desert, drive this thing on the dirt for the first time. Just drove it for the first time out of the shop. Pretty exciting, but yeah, long time coming. She feels good. She feels good. Way quieter than the spec truck. Like start it and it's all like spec truck. You're like, it's nice, it's peaceful. I don't think it's quieter once it's ripping, but it sounds a lot meaner. It's easier to load.
That is so
I know, right? Gotta bring my custom seat pad. 2x4. I mean, piece of plywood.
I'm trying to do it. I'm going to pay somebody who knows how to do it. Yeah. With that little device. And that little device, when it's going down the road, it could, you know what I'm saying? Like when they're coming around. So it's not super accurate.
Yeah. I drove it for the first time. Pretty fun, but it's sweet. But when it's a new truck, it's like you got so much to learn and like figure out, and like your mind just you're processing so much. Like you're so excited, but at the same time you're like, I gotta focus. But it's fun. They're just big toys. Like you want to go left, it goes left. Like it's so responsive. But yeah, gonna be a little before I'm up to speed.
What do I think? I think it's very exciting. Never thought we'd be doing this, and it's going to be a ton of fun. Next time he's going to romp it a little harder. That was just cruising, he said. So we'll see what the next round brings.
What do you think, Christopher?
It's good.
Yeah, this is dry.
No,
Gear too high, possibly.
I mean, it's possible we're lugging it a little bit.
Yeah, we're lugging a little. I wasn't just wringing its neck or.
And then also, you know, it's having confidence in what the truck's going to do.
Yeah.
How hard can you drive it through the stuff and into the corner and all the rest of the stuff too? I mean, you're not going to wring its neck in the first 100 miles.
Yeah.
Here, the holes here are just so big and out of rhythm. I feel like you got to know kind of some of these holes because you got to check up for a few of them even. So that's what I'm like. But you can. I mean, I think down here eventually you can get on top of them all.
Yeah. So this is the big deal for everybody that comes up here and tests. How fast did you go up and how fast did you go down? And you know they commit, they get on top and they go, or
you go slow.
Fastest ones through the people that live here.
Yeah.
and test out here all the time.
Yeah, you definitely got to know. There's a couple in there. Like you could get on top of them, but there's a couple you definitely want to let off to like let the truck.
Helmet.
It's hard with a new truck. There's a lot to process.
Sure.
And we're throwing everything. I don't know this desert. I don't know.
Yes.
I keep coming over this shit. I'm like, good way to learn.
Satisfied with what he just did there. That happened in the trailer when we were pulling out the other day.
Sorry, Kevin. I was just driving it like a little. That thing's really. I got it. Yeah.
We run the.
Does that do your apply
He's
side
fun.
too?
I was just driving. You know, you get a little nervous in the beginning. Now open it up. God.
It has like 2 different. It has like
So
the cooling
stupid.
system that comes up through the front, and then it
It's
goes
like,
back, and the converter side does that.
Bro. Like we came over, like there's just one spot where there's like this little G out, and it's like not big, but you come over and it's just like, what? And you just like, what? Like right at like never in a spec truck or even like.
And we're pulling it on the side.
So you're
Very
going on
happy.
the tractor side or on the scavenger side?
It's fun. I was giggling in
It's
there.
the bigger shaft.
Thank you, David, for spearheading this and pushing me. This is freaking awesome.
You got me? Yep.
There, hold on 1 second.
Yeah.
Yeah, he'll be there.
All right, that is a wrap. First day driving my own trophy truck, all-wheel drive. Been dreaming of this day since I was a little kid, so never really thought it'd happen, especially this early. So yeah, most insane thing ever. I'm like still just, the smile has been, dude, this thing is so sick. I can't wait to race it at King of the Hammers. But yeah, thank you to everyone who's been part of this. Jimmy, I mean, the name goes on and on. Croyer, Mason Motorsports. I mean, it's just been like, it's been so much build up to this and hiding it all, and now to show it all off. Like, I wanted to take so many pictures today and just post it online and just be like, oh, like it's just. But we've been hiding it for a good reason. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the this is the first episode of many where we're going to show you kind of the behind the scenes of how we've been building this over the past year, and try to give you an in-depth dive. So subscribe to learn more.